We are in the first Monday of a brand new month. Happy February to everybody who potentially celebrates. I don't know. But we also want to get you all ready for what's ahead for the weather. So Chief Meteorologist Nick Bannin is here to give us a bit of an outlook for the month ahead.
Yeah, and a recap of January too. We can do both all at the same time. How about that? So where did January end up? Well, it ended up where we projected it would when we dug into the numbers last week. The 42nd warmest January on record, so not super remarkable. It started very warm, but then ended cold, and that almost balanced out. The average January temperature is 52.2, and we were technically 0.6 degrees above average, but you can see nowhere near the top 4 warmest Januaries on record. And from a precipitation perspective, not really remarkable there either. The 59th driest January on record with data that goes back all the way to the late 1800s, so roughly 127 years of data. And you could see they're not quite in the middle, but close to it. We did lack rainfall. You could see we missed on about 1.2 inches of rain compared to an average January. Now here we are in February. We got the updated outlook from the Climate Prediction Center on what to expect here this month. And from a rainfall perspective, near normal rain for us. South Texas, wetter than normal. Get closer to the Panhandle and into Oklahoma, looking drier than normal. What about temperature perspective? Well, this is leaning a little bit warmer than normal, although the darker shades here indicating a higher likelihood of it being warmer than normal. For us, we're on the lightest variety of those shades, so it's not super certain that we'll be warmer than normal, but it's leaning that direction. What is normal for the month of February? Well, we average highs of 64 at the beginning of the month, but by the end of the month, almost 70. It is a month that we typically warm up quite a bit by the end. Normal lows go from 43 at the beginning to 49 by the end. It does make it our third coldest month, or our warmest month of winter, you could put it that way. We average 1.89 inches of rain, and it does make it our driest month of the year on average. It's also the only month in Austin that averages snowfall with 0.2 inches of that. Meteorologist Rich Siegel wrote a blog recapping January. Now, as we look ahead to the month of February, which is now a couple of days in, that's on KXAN.com under the weather and traffic tab. All right, let's get you started by taking you out to Georgetown here as we wrap up this afternoon with a lot of clouds, a few peaks of sunshine, but a warm south wind helped to push temperatures way up today over yesterday. You can see those clouds and the big cluster of them overhead. The back edge of these clouds, though, is only a few hours away. So we're going to go from this mostly cloudy sky now to actually some limited clearing overnight before the low clouds thicken back up again. So the clouds pull away and then they fill back in by daybreak. There could even be some areas of fog at daybreak too. The story of the day tomorrow is an arriving cold front that'll be coming in from northwest to southeast through the day. And as that front arrives, temperatures will actually warm up thanks to some afternoon sun before they cool back down again. Not expecting much in the way of rain. We do have a tiny 10% chance of it though. And then as we get into Wednesday, just a few scattered clouds, otherwise a lot of sun for Wednesday. And then by the time we get into Thursday, skies will be completely clear. Now ahead of this front, a lot of warmth statewide, not super warm, but upper 60s and 70s is warm for this time of year. And as we go into the evening, we're going to stay pretty mild thanks to that south wind, 60s and 50s here at 9. Overnight lows will actually be in the 50s for many of us, which is really not that cold at all. But then here comes our cold front. It's not a super strong front, so temperatures may actually climb even after the front has moved through. That's due to the stronger afternoon sunshine coming out. You can see in the morning, 50s. Then by midday, 60s, this front moving through the metro around or either side of noon and then into our eastern counties. But even after the front moves through, temperatures climb a few degrees, close to 70 in Austin. And then temperatures will fall as we go into tomorrow evening as that north breeze picks up. This is going to drive in some somewhat cooler air for Wednesday. 40s to start the day, and then we'll end up in the mid-60s in the afternoon. So it's not a huge temperature drop, but it's going to be a little bit cooler. So tonight, partial clearing, then the clouds come back, some areas of fog as well. Overnight lows getting down to 57. Should be a breezy day tomorrow as the wind goes from the south to the north as that front moves through. Just a low 10% rain chance. If you get lucky enough to get a shower you would get well under 1/4 inch of rain. Don't count on the rain though. 70 for the high, thanks to some of that afternoon sunshine, even with our front behind us. So just limited rain chances tomorrow, and then we're back to being dry through the weekend. Some hints here of a wetter pattern starting to get going for us next Monday. And some of our long-term computer models that go beyond Monday actually have almost daily rain chances next week. So it could be the start of something good for us here, given how dry we've been a lot of the time, a lot of this winter. Here's a look at our first warning weather 7-day forecast though. So you can see temperatures go down a bit on Wednesday, and then we start a new warm-up. 68 Thursday, 75 Friday, 77 Saturday. A few more clouds around on Sunday, but still warm at 76. And there's that next chance of rain on Monday. Right now, those chances at 20% with a high of 72.